Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today we've got a 2012-2013 Ford Fusion, and on this Ford Fusion we're going to go over how you put it into service mode to be able to replace the rear brakes and the rear calipers. This has an electronic brake for the e-brake, and so there's a process we need to do to put it into service mode. So we're going to have the key in the on position but not running, and put the car in neutral. Okay, and then you're going to hold the accelerator pedal down all the way and this brake button down all the way, and hold it down. And while you're holding it down, you're going to turn the key off and then turn it back on, and you can hear. And it also says that the brake park is in maintenance mode. So now we can turn the key back off. And do our maintenance. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.